So, I'm very excited. I've discovered today that Jensen Ackles, Dean Winchester himself, has released music, and I never knew about it, and he sings. What? So, apparently this is his band called Radio Company, which is him here, and this guy I think is called Steve Carlson. I don't know who he is, so someone let me know. But yeah, someone's asked me to listen to this because I was watching Supernatural and the song came on, and I wanted to know what the rest of it was. So now we find ourselves here, and I'm buzzing. Yeah, let's get straight into this. Sounds of Someday by Radio Company. Also, shout out to Jensen Ackles. What a beautiful man. Is there nothing this guy can't do? This guy's looking like Zacky Vengeance from Avenged Sevenfold. Sorry, I'm not going to pause it now. This is Supernatural vibes, old school rock, driving down the road. Ah, jeez.
All gone is here today.
I've got goosebumps.
Finding room to breathe.
Yo, his voice is so smooth.
Go on, lead on your way and see.
Jeez.
And though the sounds of someday may be home, and though the sounds of someday may be home, yeah.
What? That gave me chills. Yo, Jensen Ackles' voice is ridiculous. Look how hear how smooth that is. It's like melted butter. Jeez. It's got that husky baritone thing going on. Man, I honestly, just that on its own, I loved it.
Even the fires on the road, trying to get away. And all the stars seem on a roll, out of control today. Sounds of someday may be home.
So powerful.
The sounds of someday may be home. Yeah.
Look at this man. Jeez.
Sounds of someday
Ah, it's so good.
may be home. Oh,
vocal runs as well. I'm just sat here like a fangirl. That was Sounds of Sunday by Radio Company. Jensen Ackles. What a man. What? Next one we're doing, that's Corey Taylor and Jensen Ackles. Bon Jovi, Wanted Dead or Alive. We're doing Bon Jovi, Wanted Dead or Alive next. I'm freaking excited. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, make sure you leave a like. If you like Jensen Ackles, make sure you leave a like. And as always, peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's